Right, that's the call coming on SPI, but that's Adi Godrej is addressing the press conference. Let's quickly hear out what he has to say.
Components and companies which are consolidated with Godrej Industries had a very good quarter. Our profit growth was low, mainly because we had to take a write-off for the loss on the sale of Godrej Industries shares in Godrej Hershey to the Hershey company. We have exited this joint venture and we had to take a loss on the sale of the shares. However, this will help us in the long run because every quarter we had to consolidate the losses of Godrej Hershey, which henceforth from this current quarter onwards will not have to be done. All our businesses are performing well. We continue to grow well both in India and outside India, and there was a particularly good performance by two of the components of our business. Godrej Properties had a very good quarter and Godrej Agrovet also had a very good quarter.
Okay, so you spoke about losses from accruing out of writing off of the sale of shares in Godrej Hershey, and that is primarily the reason why you're seeing a net loss, and that will not account for, will not be a part of your results.
No, there was not a loss. The consolidated account showed a considerable profit, a profit of about 70 crore.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So you've spoken about two segments showing exceptional growth. So tell us a little bit about Godrej Consumer. Do you foresee, we've seen good rates, we've seen a 35% growth rate there as well. So tell us about how much do you see that growth increase by as we go ahead? Because you do mention about economic challenges continuing in the future as well.
I would not like to provide any guidance for the future, but Godrej Consumer continues to grow very well. We grew 35% in the quarter ended September 30th, and in the subsequent quarters we expect as good or better growth. Growth is going very well both in India and outside.
Do we see any further consolidation taking place in Godrej Industries as we go ahead? Because clearly you mentioned that this is going to be a part of your strategy.
No, Godrej Industries will be consolidating all the companies in which it has shares. Some are subsidiaries, some are associate. So that consolidation will go on. We don't see any new companies coming into the fold in the immediate future. But Godrej Agrovet, of which Godrej Industries owns 75%, is growing extremely rapidly. And we expect that the rural economy is doing extremely well both in India and Bangladesh, where Godrej Agrovet has large operations. And we expect growth will continue very strongly in this part of the business.
Sir, talking about Godrej Agrovet, what?
Right, that is of course Adi Godrej talking about the quarter gone by, and the stock performance is actually recovered after his address to the press.